Day on Howard Outdoors. I got my little brother with me, aka Robert. Got my buddy Tyler. And this is what we're going to get into today. Robert's telling the story. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm getting out of here. He's gonna go do his thing. We out here today. We're not below the dam. We're not at Burt Combs Lake. Today we're going to be doing a little creek fishing. And I don't feel like trying to carry my camera stand around with me, so I got my GoPro mounted. Tyler's gonna be using, what are you using, Tyler? Old Faithful?
Yeah, Old Faithful.
Old Faithful. As you see, earlier we went to Walmart and we picked up different size rooster tails to replace the one he lost the other day and to put a little extra in a tackle box. And then you also seen picked up some wax worms. So while they're doing the artificial bait today, I'm going old school. I got my wax worms. And just let me get a drink of this before I light my vehicle up. That's better. Got everything? Yep. All right. Tyler's using my old trusty rod with a rooster tail. My brother's over there with his rod and reel. I'm not sure what he's using. But I'm going old school using my cane pole and wax worms.
Grab the bait.
What bait?
Rooster tail, stuff like that.
You got it?
I just got the one that was already on it.
You using the small one or the medium one?
It's the small one on there right now.
Yeah. You want to try it first?
Oh, yeah.
Try it and see how well it sinks. If it don't, then we'll switch over to medium. But yeah, I got the wax worms. I better get me a sinker though. The way that water's flowing a little bit here, I better put me a little weight on it. Yep. Just forgot. Done locked the door. Forget that quick. But yeah. Like I said, I don't want to feel like messing with the camera stand. I'm gonna use the GoPro so that way you get the GoPro point of view on it. So that way I can walk up and down the banks more. Not having to worry about where my camera's at. So we got little brother over there trying it by the bridge. We got Tyler way out there trying that spot. What are you using for bait, bro? He's using an artificial ribbon-tailed worm. Like I said, Tyler's got the old rooster tail, and I'm going to be using wax worms. Yeah, that's an odd place for one to be, ain't it? Check it out. Morocco below the bridge. I reckon I'm going to try right here and get out there as best as I can. I'm going to go ahead and get the GoPro on and switch over to the GoPro point of view. Hope his bank don't give way. Huh? I need to be over on that side.
Is it in good shape? How much more water?
You better not low bomb. I know what they got.
It's on the paint on the
I can't get down there.
Right at the bottom of the bridge.
Let's see if it's right here.
This has never been one of my strong points.
What?
Fishing in the river, creek. I don't know good with the current.
Good spot to get would be like right over there. Said the water's flowing down this side and it's smoother on that side. I'm gonna see if I can't get my way over here. Whoo. See no fish in the water. See a bicycle, which that's what Robert was saying a while ago. See if we can't catch something here right off the bridge.
What do you usually got right here in this spot?
Some of them like pumpkin seeds and bluegills. Whole bridge is coming down. If nobody runs me off the bridge, I might just take me a seat right here. If I don't fall in. Might not be fishing deep enough. Like this might not be a deep enough part of the creek. Might have to come back here through what in the world is that keeps dripping off that tree?
I don't know, it's been dripping since I've been here. Easy.
No, I'm not.
That's a good deep
It's just a
spot
rumor.
there, isn't it?
Nah, not really.
It ain't.
Ah, look.
That bottom.
Yeah. I figured it might be deep enough for like minnows and stuff right now. But I can still see my waxworm sitting on bottom.
You look weird, Peyton, without sunglasses on.
You look weird in general.
You want to use these? I ain't been using them.
Oh,
They've been sitting on my head for now.
you sound like me. Something I told you the other day. I just been sitting up there. Nah, we're in a shady spot. Every time I sit there like this with a cane pole, it reminds me of a Little House on the Prairie. Huh? Yeah. Wasn't fished out.
Oh, God, I killed my back.
I thought you had one.
Nope.
God, what was it going to be? Don't you try no more.
Pollution.
Huh?
I'm just adding to it. Oh, God, get there. Be bad that wind blow the opposite direction here and get me off balance, so it's easily done. I'll see if there's anything in there for you real quick, man.
This is the type of place where we need to get them waders. Just
Wade so you can go to the spots.
I about guarantee right out there on the back side of that, can see how the water, it's banking off this bank, coming off that one, rolling in through here. This side over here don't flow near as fast. So I bet you, I might have to switch over to, huh? Might switch over to that other rod like the one you got. and go over and stand off that bank because I don't think my cane pole will reach over there from. That's an awful steep bank. I would sit right here and kind of do one of these, but my casting's not always 100% accurate, and I feel like I get wrapped up around that tree limb there.
Let me go out there and break it out real quick.
No. Just push that whole dead tree in the water. It's about like it all up through there, ain't it, where it keeps banking back and forth. I might have to try a different spot.
That's why I went all up to there. Just see if I can find a spot. Slower. He said, boy, if you want something nice though, you gotta go back to retard school. And I said, I got out, I graduated, I ain't going back.
I'm graduated, got my diploma.
No, but
I guess I can try something. Well, it's either we can go on up that way.
You just sit down. Let's try somewhere else.
We can try up there before you get to the school and that land that Jasmine's uncle owns. We could try there in that little straight stretch, or we can go back down next to Liberty Hills in that open hole. I know it's deeper than this.
You the tour guide.
I'm a tour guide.
Fishing with Peyton.
On this episode of Fishing with Peyton, we won't catch nothing, but we'll have a good time.
On tomorrow's episode, same thing.
Probably the next 15 series.
If you don't like catching anything, no. We had that one you was catching. I caught that one.
You like to watch people look dumb and not catch fish.
You like to see people get out and think they know how to fish and never catch nothing. Subscribe to my channel.
Learn with us.
Learn with us. Laugh with us. Laugh at us.
You like to hear
Probably more laughing at us than with us.
You like to hear a guy bring up that he was sponsored on every fishing trip, but he ain't no more. Proud of himself.
Yep, that's us. Wouldn't have it any other way.
No.
Put my weird pod in.
I'd change one thing. I'd make it to where we at least get the fish.
Well, yeah, you know,
It's a decent place here when the water's warmer. Because, man, actually, we'd sit here and toss out that way and catch a bunch of little ones.
that's what, like 15 years ago?
Yep. No, what was that, Robert? We went out last year. Who's caught me? Hello?
Can you hear on Facebook or Messenger?
There's your tower.
I don't know.
Just sent me a text. She said, hey, I need you to get on
There's a tire on
Facebook
this
and report
We'll get them
mine
together.
and
We got no
Shannon's
ties.
been hacked. So I tried to get on Facebook and it locked me
Yeah,
out
you
and
can
I
make
can't
it work.
get on anything. Facebook Messenger, nothing.
Hang on just a minute, let me look.
Huh?
I said, hang on a minute, let me look. Now, I want to get on Facebook. Get on your Facebook right quick. Jasmine said she went to get in Facebook and it logged her out, and I went to do the same thing. And it popped up saying session expired, please log in. Yep,
That's what mine said too.
What the fuck?
Tyler's did the same thing.
I don't know my stuff either.
Tyler don't know his stuff.
It's like you on Facebook?
Now you get to
It's
try
like
to
talking
get back
on
in mine, ain't you?
Facebook. Thing of just-
Tell her to restart it, close it out and open it up.
What the?
Tell Mom don't open her.
Hear me?
Okay, who was you saying? Okay, just a moment. Tanya said she can get on Facebook, so just...
I said tell Tanya to close her app out and try to open it again.
Tanya, close your app out and then try to get back on it.
Because Tyler did the same thing.
It's not even accepting my password. Like I click log in.
It won't let me change my password, nothing, like nothing.
That's
I bet it's another cyber attack.
another
They-
cyber attack on our Facebook.
They've hit our cell phone.
Hers did the same thing.
Well, it's doing it to everybody now.
Everybody else will like
Yep,
that.
Tyler said it's probably another cyber attack.
Okay, well, I just wanted to make sure I was freaking out. I thought, well, ain't no way somebody's hacked me, Jessica and Shannon.
Nuh-uh.
Let me see you can.
Okay, well, if you need me, just send me a text.
Alright.
Uh-oh.
There's a dead wasp in the water.
There was a bug of some kind. Climbed on my leg.
The bug took him in his suicide.
I had to play it safe. Slow, yeah.
I just got you shitting on camera.
Huh?
Camera's still rolling.
Well, I'll put that
Might
in
leave some paper in the car for you to wipe with.
Is it letting you log back in?
I ain't tried it because I don't remember stuff.
Oh. What the hell?
Well, I reckon we're going to move on to a different spot and see how well it goes there. Crunchy.
I feel like it wasn't that far when we go.
Somebody been through here on the dirt bike. I liked it better before they put those. Yeah, because you could, right in here somewhere. I don't blame them putting the new guardrail up, but I just,
They could have started right here.
yeah,
You can't have these people drove them.
dirt bike.
Oh, 4-wheel. No, that's a hard car.
One wheel four wheeler, two wheel four wheeler. Oh, you driving one of them two wheel four wheelers?
It could be a 3-wheel.
You know what I like to get?
A 3-wheel?
One of them Coleman mini bikes with the fat rack on back.
Pull it out of the back.
Here's spot number 2. I know this one's quite a bit deeper. Right here at the. Look, somebody come right down through here with it. So we're gonna give this spot a try. Got my cane pole, but just in case I need to get out a little bit further, I brought my Micro Series open reel. Hopefully we'll catch us a little something down here. You will get right there where everybody been hung up at. Look, look, look. Very first cast, my boy then gets out there. You can see where 15 other people's got tangled up, and he decides to throw it right in it. Go ahead. Oh, you got it. Well, I'll be daggone. I'll be a monkey's uncle, son.
I'm not like everybody.
He's built different.
I got hung up right next. Here, Sean?
Huh?
Well, this is the place to leave it.
I'm gonna try my wax worm again right here, right off the bank. Must be deeper than when I fall.
Ain't touching bottom.
Nope. Huh. Did you see that? Like a little 2-inch minnow trying to bite it on the way up. Let's try it again.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wind blew it on it.
There's something nibbling on it down there. Got a little tug in the line. I got it.
A little creek tail, isn't it?
Yep. Fish on. Monsters. Look at that. Should have brought us a minnow bucket. Could use that for bait in the next video. I figured today just be a fun little, just to see what all different species we can get and see how many we can catch. Well, so far I'm up 1 on you, boy.
Huh? If you give me a mirror basket, I catch about 15 though.
Huh? What you back there saying? I'm fishing for whatever bites my hook. Must be a good spot for them. I keep feeling tugs on the line.
Oh my God.
Would you stop it?
Got it. Every time it does, I put it and messes it up. Alright, we gotta smack him in the head.
Man, my rice bush, she had a probably about an 8-foot cane pole, 2-piece. She'd take a grub, live grub. Oh, missed it. Stick on that cane pole, and she'd hold it. And the way she'd cast, she'd hold it like this, and she'd go like right there, flop it out, smoke everybody. Yeah. Yeah, but when we go to pick her up, she'd go out there in that old dead tree next to her garden, pull a few grubs out and put in a jar. She'd catch probably 6 or 7 bluegill on that one grub before they ate it off. That's what she'd do. She didn't have a bobber or nothing on it, just a hook and a sinker. She'd flop it out there. Probably 30 seconds later, she'd be pulling one in.
We didn't have all this fancy stuff that we got now to use, all these different types of baits and stuff. So I mean, if it was affected back in.
If she did have a bobber, what bobber she had was a cork. Look at that Dougie over there getting tangled up. I can't make fun too much. I'll be the one getting hung up right here, right in front of me. Just wait over and get it, man. Ah.
It break.
And you can see it over on top of that little stump. That's the worst. That's what makes me mad. You lose a bait, I'd rather go down in the water where I can't see it. You know, out of sight, out of mind. When it's sitting over there looking at me, I'd spend
every time you come here.
I'll spend the next 30 minutes trying to decide whether or not it's worth it getting in the water. They done stole that grub, or not grub, waxworm. Yeah, it's a good thing about the little case they're in. They're big enough to fit in my shirt pocket. We'll stick us another one on here. And drop it. Huh? That's making me mad for you looking right over there. Are you good enough to balance across there and reach? Oh, missed one. You boys might catch them bigger than me today, but I'll have the numbers.
You have a video camera though, you won't have proof of it, you know?
He done lied.
Oh my God. I'm determined, man.
You wanting to get hung up.
Nope, I'm determined to get hung up right there.
I got hung up right there. I was stuck on bottom for a second. wonder if I can touch bottom. My God.
Is it that deep?
Yeah.
Could you touch it right there?
No.
Still good.
I was coming in toward me and still couldn't touch it. And I went up to here with it.
How deep it is up there?
I'd say about 7 foot deep right there, right off the bank.
Well, we ain't going wade there. We're going swimming. You can see it shallows out up there. Like further up.
And it's crazy because you can see, start seeing bottom right there just to the left of you. But yet it's this deep right here. I gotta keep mine off the bottom a little bit. Let them see it floating up off the ground.
Me too.
You can probably do a jig head that way.
Bounce it up down right there. You ain't having no local though.
Oh. That's number 2 on you,
That's a
boy.
freak shot, babe. We're supposed to be catching different types of species.
Huh?
Same one. I fuck. I'm freak. I'm done.
We are. Another good little creek chill.
I'm definitely done now. Just spun around.
Yeah. Pull all them bobbers in.
I'll do good enough for two. I'm gonna play the people, my people. Play the song of my people.
I'm up 2 on you. Is that a piece of shrimp hanging?
Oh yeah, you're bringing it.
I was gonna see if I could reach it. Help whack it off her.
What? We got something to whack on.
Okay, just swinging away. Ah, low. Look at that brand new fucking rooster tail laying out there.
Where?
Right there, at the bottom next to that green and yellow bobber. Ducky got one over there out of the water. You got a brand new rooster tail we didn't get.
One of the brand new ones.
Huh? Oh, no, that's my old one, that old little one.
Now
Yeah.
I can get you a 3-gram one.
I was like, man, what's that? Ain't it?
What?
You have to walk back up to the car.
I'm calling it from there. I'll wait till I'll go back up.
You can,
Oh.
I'm gonna crack up if it's just a little pull.
Brings it loose.
Oh, you can try that one. Oh. He break that one too. You boys just ain't having no luck. See if that one's got a hook on it. I'm pretty sure it does. If it doesn't, we'll have a little worm competition.
Are you using red worms? You using
I'm using wax worms. You use those red worms, and we'll see.
which one's that better?
Yeah.
Don't worry, by the end of the day, but I'll probably be right up there with you.
By the end of this video, we'll have to go back to Walmart.
He just done that out teeth. He's bringing up no deep.
If I was brave enough, where do you think I'll be in? Like, have you seen my last 10 videos? Ah! Missed one. Now, so you get me distracted. Don't get me distracted. You ain't out fishing nothing. I'm up 2 on you. Get ready to be 3. What'd you say? You're gonna take your pants off. You keep bashing, I'm gonna take my pants off.
You got my luck right now, look.
You see the twitch in my line? I don't like much more eating it off her. I got extra stink in my pocket.
Oh, you think I should put one
Look here. Yeah.
You shit.
Yeah, it's up there. There we go. Now let's try it again. Give it a little swing.
Yeah, I'm not as good as you guys yet on that. I can't tell if something got it. I'll sit down there and it'll be on there for 10 minutes.
Always keep an eye on my line.
Your line's moving.
Nah, hang on a minute. You'll know what I'm talking about. See how it's going sideways? See that little twitch every now and then?
Yeah. I can't tell from mine when my hand shakes so much. Yeah,
Do I got one or not, Mo? You'll bite him. I can see you'll bite and touch it right there.
How deep down on there you go? Oh.
How far is your line out? There's mine that. About the same. So bring it back down about right there.
That was way, didn't it? Do what?
That was a good hit. Bring yours over about right here. Drop yours down about right there.
I'm trying not to drop myself down in there.
Is that them banjo? No. Is it?
I felt a hit on it right there. So,
Oh, banjo mouth.
oh.
I think they just left the skin off my wire. They sucked its insides out.
Left the shit. There we go.
Maybe I'll go ahead and. Well, yeah, look at. Looks like a limp noodle. Looks like a grain of rice you drop off your plate at the Chinese buffet. What in the world? Take this little fat guy here. Yeah, back when me and Ducky was little, Mammy are still alive. Me and my princess mama. They take turns going up there, taking care of her, and there's a creek across the road. Mammy is a little bad off, you know, and those kids that aggravate her. So to keep us out of the house, those like party things for kids.
What is that?
Little worm bait.
Oh. Where'd you get those?
I got them on the bed. With the fire hose.
Me and Ducky had her little fishing poles, and Mama would stop and get us a couple of these waxworms apiece and send us over to the creek, and we'd sit over and so you can catch the biggest horny head minnow. Not one, of course.
The first time I ever seen one of them was when we was up Kincaid. You remember that pond we went to that had big ones in it?
Yeah, I believe that's the one Buford bought it. You done brought your bad juju over. I'm gonna try down there.
Put it right here. Right there. I put it right
I told
there.
you can put yours right there, so I can go over here.
No, it's right there.
Now you mean James down here. He's over there too.
Ooh, excuse me. Yep. If I was sitting the way he was just sitting, my leg and knees went numb, and just as soon as I go to push up, my toes would push me forward, and I might as well put my hands up and dive in there. See you, boy.
Okay, so like I may be 30 years old, but I don't feel it. You know, like I still sit and do everything I done when I was 25.
I can't do that. I couldn't do that when I was 25.
That's what I'm saying. You know, I do it anyway, so I guess.
Remember that time we was helping Randy replace that floor in that house? And he was getting aggravated with me because I couldn't stay down on the floor, and they had me squatting for like 30 minutes and I couldn't get back up. He's like, come on, buddy, come on. Like, shut up, buddy. Can't feel my leg.
I'm fine.
I ain't like you. I got meat on my bones. I'm like garbage. I have the meats. I sure as hell wasn't like McDonald's that day. I wasn't loving it. And he thought he was, huh?
No more fun.
What's that one? Says have it your way. Is that what their old slogan? Oh, and I was just thinking of Barbies. Yeah, that's what he was trying to be like with Burger King. He was trying to have it his way. I wouldn't love it. What's Taco Bell's nowadays? Ah, you dirty dog. Not ringing a bell over here, I'll tell you that.
I won't be none of that bell ringing around me.
I felt a little jerk on it, and that little bastard took me right up under the roots.
Yeah. Make fun of us again, huh? No, see?
I can see the mud I'm kicking up, so maybe I can get to mine. See if we can't wrap it up.
I hate that you lose a hook and stuff, but I hope you don't. I keep getting bites, but nothing. That's all it is.
That's all it is, bites.
They ain't even taking the worm.
I keep watching the phone board.
Huh? Oh, they do.
You flying it out there and break the thing, I can't watch the video.
Oh, I got a big one. Yeah. Lost my hook, but I got my sinker.
Go.
Well,
That's what it is.
since we all got a Walk back up to the vehicle.
I'm hung up right here. God, boy.
I believe the only thing you're gonna catch there's a beaver.
Yeah, me and Jay was fishing them out on the other side of the tree that day with down here and it started raining.
Oh Lord. Well, I just lost a hook on mine. Got a rooster tail hanging there with those other bobbers and other baits. Robert's got a bait over there on them twigs sticking up out of the water. And I lost a hook. Gonna take a short break, go up here and replace the hook on my line. And I'm gonna see whether or not these guys wanna continue to fish here a little bit or move on to a different creek. Different location. Either way, be back in just a little bit. Look at them back there, being all weird and such. We decided to try a different creek. We came over to East Manchester. We're gonna walk right down here to the river. If you watched any of my kayak videos, this is the stretch of river we came down before you get to the boat ramp. Pretty good little place. Looks like the water's up maybe a little bit. Yeah, it's up probably about a foot or so. You can tell it's been up a lot more than that recently though. How steep that bank is, but that's where we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna switch over to a GoPro view and see how well this area goes. See if we can't get across there without. Should have worn water boots, something to have a little traction. Tennis shoes and these sandbanks don't work too good. I'm gonna try to get right over there without busting my butt too. Yeah, well, that didn't work out. Yeah. Are
you serious?
That's what you get for laughing. I just said in the video too, I was like, I'm gonna try to get across here without busting my oop. Yep. That did not work out at all. Now we're gonna have to get down here and try to clean her reel off. Wash your hands a little bit. Look at that. Let's see. There we go. I'm surprised my worm stayed in my pocket. I can feel it all over my butt though. If I have to take my shirt off when I get up there and sit on it. Forgot to grab me a bobber. Yep. I think we're just gonna do. We'll try just a hook at first. See how well we get out there. Let it just flow with the current. That lake burn. Yeah. Look at that. What are you trying to do?
Huh?
What are you trying to do? I'm gonna put that up a second because I'm not about to miss this video opportunity. Rooster tail's right there. See that one to your right? That branch? That one, go up. And then that one branch coming off of that one, going straight up. If I'm coming, I might as well bring everything, because I ain't gonna bust my rump coming back.
I'd like to try to save this and say it as if we just got it, you know.
Done lost one today.
I don't see it. I just can't reach it, but I know I can get to the branch.
Well, let's see if we can't get back across there without falling a second time. Trying to get up here towards these. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Once that sand and mud goes up there, that's it. See if we can't get over here to this route. I'm gonna rip my brand new power britches right here. Well, we got this far. That ain't helpful.
Yeah, my real concern is getting back down off
there we go.
I don't think it was a good idea for me.
Maybe not today. Ah, schnitters.
That's a solid look. Gosh. That's the one that's on, ain't it?
Huh?
There's one that's on, ain't it? Right there.
No, to your left.
To my left.
Yeah. See that? Put that pole back up. See that first good sized little branch there in front of you?
Right here.
I can see the rooster tail right here. It's on. See this one? Put your pole in that tree. Go to your right. Right. The line's almost touching that one. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
It's on that one?
Yeah. So go on up and then go to the first branch coming off that one coming back towards you. You see it right there? Yep, right where that broken limb's at. There you go. Hey, wait a minute. Do it again. See if you can do it again. Robert gave us some slack and we'll just cut it off and then reel the line back. You should be able to get the fishing line stuck in the hook. Ah. There you go. Almost. Kinda. You're gonna make it 10 times worse in a minute.
I'm cramping in all kinds of spots right now.
Is it your time of the month? There you go. There you go. I'll just get it.
Oh, I thought you had the stick.
Okay. Throw it over. I was going like this, started grabbing you. Let it fly up over my head. Ah, you don't need a knife when you got teeth.
Got it?
Yeah.
You gonna take the rib off?
I left it on there. You think I should bring it off?
Is it closed?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be fine.
All right, now.
I'd rather replace the baggy Eclipse than another rooster tail.
Oh, that foot was
Stick right up your butthole.
That foot was cramping. Stop.
That ain't me.
Stop.
You coming down on the stick. Get the stick out of your butt.
Quit being graphic.
Let me break this one. There you go. Now just go up your shin.
Smart man.
Can we... Dougie got a little spook.
Third slab. Like in the top. It's got a leaf inside it.
Leaf Patrol.
Fish mob.
Driving 2 Cherokees.
Well, okay.
I may have got her hung, but I saved her.
What's Go to the
There you
next
go.
spot.
Yeah, we'll move on to the next one before one of us ends up in the
My
water.
leg is shaking.
How bad is it?
That's bad.
Feels bad.
Oh, now I'm cramped. My leg and foot.